been alleged by Village Panchayat Kandolim dated 21/9/2015. A letter has been received in my office and also to the office of Collector of North, Deputy Collector, Mamledar, BDO and the other government departments that Casino Grand 7 which was given permission by the government in somewhere in 2010-11 is running illegally in a hotel called O Hotel Kandolim. When the letter came to me from the village panchayat, I inquired on the status. First of all, government and permission dila, but whether that construction which is built in CRZ is legal or not. So I found out that they don't have permission where the casino is being built. They don't have permission for the same. So it is a illegal structure where the casino is being put up. Casino license was given earlier by the government, but the casino the structure ha to it illegal ha. Village Panchayat Kandoliman amka already letter kelle ha. And as a chairman of Planning and Development Authority, we are asking for site inspection and necessary action on this casino. Grand 7 casino will be taken by Planning and Development Authority. In the coming meeting, first we are issuing them show cause notice. At the meeting in the next 20 days we are going to issue demolition order and we will write to the government to cancel the license given to this casino, because we have heard that a lot of hotels are asking for casino licenses.